What's poppin'? My haircut is poppin'. Ha ha. My local skate shop has a thing going on where they're doing mystery bags. And since I used to work there, I want to show support. So I bought a €100 mystery bag with 12 items. That's a really good deal. So I'll pick it up in a few minutes. I bought a few bikes on eBay a few days ago and I'm trying to restore them. We're on our way to get some bikes so that we can restore them. They're gonna be so nice. Oh my god. By the way, my little sister has cherry blossoms right in front of her window. I'm gonna dress and I'm gonna see if I can fix the bike so I can at least ride it. It's not finished yet, but I just want to take it out and see how it's performing. To go to the skate shop, pick the thing up, and then come back to show you the outfits. Is that a deal? Why do I have a knife here? That is a deal. Alright. This, by the way, is a shirt from my friend Oliver. He just launched the brand Avance. It's from his area in Stockholm. And we actually did Ralph Lauren in Milan together. Oh my god, I can't wait for them to launch more things. Outfit check. First test drive with the bike, first test ride out with the... So it's going to be the first test ride actually. It does look much better now, but it's on the way.
Yo, you wanna see some real speed, bitch? I'll show you some real speed.
First test drive with the bike, first test ride out with the... This right here is a museum, and right there is the school that I went to. I graduated. Bike with the bike, first test ride out with the... First test drive with the bike, first test ride out with the... Thank you. I'm gonna try to put it in my backpack, which I'm not sure if it fits because it's quite a lot. But damn, this idea is so well made. All right, I'm back, and it even says Sk8ter and bezahlt, which means paid for or paid. All right, let's get it. Damn! My sister's gonna steal all my t-shirts, and then she gonna rob my shirt jacket. She's gonna steal my shit. Choked on the olive. Oh my god! I look like a skater boy. He was a skater boy, and I was a baby boy. No hair. Every hat looks weird.
Like a Santos.
Like what? Say it out loud.
Santos.
Who's that?
A gang member on my block.
On my block. It's a typical skater shirt. Pretty this kind of shoe. Black referee watch. Yeah, I mean I like this. Next one. This is sick. Fashion magazine, rain jacket. I wear this shoe. Sachi. It's definitely not a skater shoe. Alright, next one. Next one. I legit know models that will go to a Gucci casting like this. By the way, these pants are the ones that I altered. Made them thinner in the back of the hem. Alright. This one, black and white. I feel like the sun is kind of going away. Remember this shoe? But let me just show you. Black and white thing, you know what I'm saying? So, let's start with the t-shirts. I'm just gonna show every piece how it is. Yeah, this is actually a fit. I would wear something like this underneath, but this is, it's too large so it flatters out. Yeah. This one's pretty much like the one that I wore before. Just different. I could put my t-shirt on from earlier. Not bad, isn't it? I might buy another one for my sister. I've been doing so many weird things during quarantine. Like, this used to be a tote bag, so I put a zipper on it, cut the things off, sewed them to the end, and then made a middle piece. And now, you can actually wear it as a backpack. Back to school check! I decided to not play video games till Easter, and it's not a fortunate time to do that, but that's what it is. Alright, next one. Oh, I could do cool transitions. I mean, cool transitions. Hyper cool. But this one's sick, isn't it? Oh yeah, transition. I'm squinting the whole time, I'm sorry, but damn, the sun is already here. Hit the road, check. Last one. This is the last one. Wait. Oh. I'm a savage. Classy, booty, ratchet. Moody, I mean. But booty is okay as well. It's so weird when you don't have hair, how like beanies fit to your head. If this camera's not recording, I'm gonna piss myself. Just kidding. If you're in Hanover, might as well check it out. It's not a bad deal, but support the locals. It's a smart idea, so I'm willing to support smart people. What's it called? Healthy. Stay healthy. Fuck. Shouldn't curse. Thank you for ignoring my squint face, and write in the comments what do you think of my booty.